Hello everyone. Bharathidasan University announced for PhD notification for the entrance examination detail and all. So we can look for the detail what they have given, what is the last date and what will be the eligibility and departments available for PhD. All the detail we can look over here. So for that what you need to do, you need to go and type it for Bharathidasan University and you can open for respective university website, or else you can go for bdu.ac.in. Okay, once you're opening in a scene, this is a way website will open, and from here it's available PhD qualifying exam Feb 2026. Okay, for under the important notification from the top itself it is available. So what you need to do, just you can open that one. So just you can open over here, and from here it's available qualifying entrance examination Feb 2026. And from here it's available, you need to apply through online the information which has been provided over here, and a list of subjects, everything will be available. So if you're opening over here for list of discipline or subject, so what are the subject they announced for PhD entrance examination? So for the arts point of view, these are all the things will be available. Okay, human resource, sociology, economics, just you can go through it. I will track like this. Okay, and from this channel mainly focus for management, commerce, interrelated subject like economics and social, that is statistics. Okay, and from here if you're looking in a sense, management is available and commerce is also available, and language paper that is also mentioned over here, and science point of view it's available. Statistics, under the science point of view only it has mentioned for statistics and actuarial science. Actuarial science mainly they will use it for insurance related things. The people know right now it's a well booming sector for actuarial science. So if you're looking over here, these are all the departments they are recruiting for the they are selecting for the candidate of PhD, and through that you need to write for the entrance examination. So you go through for the subject and instruction, you can go through it over here. So for the instruction point of view, they have given here what are the documents required while you're registering for this entrance examination. That's the information available here: SSC and UG and PG mark sheets, signature and photos and everything else. So those who are going to apply from this one, just you can go through it each and everything. This will helpful for while you are applying for online application. Okay, just you can go through backside and prospectus which is available. So what are all the here, if the prospectus, if you're clicking in essence, it's available full detail. Just you can click here for the download information. So from here the important things, if you qualified for net set qualified candidate within 5 years, in a sense you're not required to write for the examination. Okay, all the candidate having PG degree residing in India or abroad looking for PhD program required to clear the entrance. So whether if you're in India or else and abroad, you need to write it. But if you cleared for net and set qualified candidate, the validity within 5 years, if you completed, in a sense you're not required to write the examination. In other, all candidate need to write for full time. If you're looking for full time or part time, you need to write for the examination. That is what they have given here. And from here it is available the department they are offering for the examination, and what is a main qualification, in a sense PG degree and 50% marks for SC/ST candidate and 55 for other category candidates. So that's the thing they have given, and 5% relaxation they are giving for entrance examination for the candidate for BC, MBC, DNC, SC, ST. Normally 50% mark they need to get it right. So in that 5%, it means 45% it is sufficient for the entrance test. That is what they have given for these kind of category candidates. And student secure for 50% entrance test, call for interview. If you once you return for the examination, and if you're getting for 50% of marks, in a sense you will eligible for interview, and interview notification you will receive through email, but they not even send for any marks. The marks has been available in your final result for your certificate only. Okay, but if you completed for 50% of marks, they send for email to you, you're eligible to attend for interview, and they mention for the date also. And entrance test you need to get it for 70%, okay, as well as for interview 30. They will convert this 100 in terms of how much you got it for the final mark list which they are providing for these certificates. So that's very important. For the written test you need to get it for 70 percentage written test weightage. Okay, even though if you're writing for 100 marks, the weightage they will take it for 70 percentage only. That's very important. And from here, the certificate, pass certificate, will be 5 years validity. That is a thing they have given over here. That's very important. So within 5 years, at any year, you can go and join over there. Okay. And candidates who are pursuing final year PG course may also apply. Suppose if you are studying for PG degree for the second year, you can write for the examination. Okay, that is what they have given over here. And you're not required to send any hard copy to the university. Only you need to apply for online only. Okay, for the verification, you can keep it for the printout copy. And these are all the things we already looked. So 3rd March 2026, 12, before 11:59 p.m. you need to complete your registration. So for the written test, if you are looking in a sense, 50 multiple choice question is available. So totally 75 minutes, the examination will be conducted through online only. Not required to go for any centers, any university, nothing else. In your home itself, you can attend this examination if you are keeping for mobile or laptop. That information and all they will send you after complete this registration process. Okay. So that's the thing they have given over here. So you should possess for the internet connection wherever you are writing this respective test. And this is very important. You don't think that if you're writing for the examination in your home, you can look for books or something like that. It's not possible. So through the proctor, through the camera you need to on, the invigilator will look in your eye contact and everything else. So you not even get a time to look for papers, and you not even get a time to look for another people and all. Within 75 minutes, you will be fully locked. It's comprises of first paper as well as second paper will be available. And if you're preparing for NET examination, that syllabus is sufficient to you. Even though they are giving for each and every subject, they have provided the syllabus, but that syllabus matched with your NET and SET examination preparation. So better if you're keeping for NET syllabus, that's sufficient for cracking this Bharathidasan University entrance examination. So for applying for this examination right now, in a sense, you can click for register new user. Some cases, some people, they will complete for a couple of steps, and after that they try to complete a step, right? So such kind of candidate you can use for registered users. Okay. And for the important dates, if you're looking in a sense, for application started on 4th February 2026. And it's end on March 3rd. So before that, those who are looking for admission, in a sense, you can apply. And it has some processing fee. SC, ST candidate for 1,200. And BC, OBC, general category candidate need to pay for 1,800. Okay. For NRA category, they need to pay for 15,000. That is what the information they have been provided over here. I think this respective information will be helpful to you. So those who are looking for Bharathidasan University entrance examination, this will be the good chance you can apply and write for the examination. And same this channel itself, how the examination will be available. And after completing the examination, the interview process and everything has been posted video over here. As well as once completed interview, how the certificate will come, how the certificate will look like, how you can approach for the certificate, how you can receive for the certificate. These all detail will be available over here from this channel itself. Just you can go through it once completed this one. Suppose if you want to look those kind of videos. Okay, I think this information will be very helpful to you. If it is helpful, you can like as well as subscribe. Those who are looking for this kind of PhD as well as recruitment related to management, and those who are preparing for NET and SET examination, you can stay tuned. You will get it for all the update. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this. Bye.